This may look like two pieces of paper, but it's actually just one. It's a model by Jeremy Schaefer, who's also the proud inventor of the flasher hat. But if you want to make one of these, keep watching. If you use a standard sheet of origami paper, your model's going to be pretty small. First, you're going to start with some pre-creases. Start by pre-creasing diagonally both ways, vertically and horizontally. This might seem familiar to anyone who's made a crane. Go ahead and fold that in half. Lift this corner, bring it to the other corner so that you have a pyramid. Flatten and tuck. It should look something like this. You're going to want to grab a highlighter or a flat edge for this next part. Bring the corner of the triangle to the end of that line. Crease. Now that we've divided this section in half, we're going to divide it into quarters. Bring the corner to this line. Crease. Now we're going to divide this section in half. Crease. Now that your triangle has 4 sections, you're going to open it up. Stick around for part 2.